Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin right now by loading hardwood lump charcoal or a small olive wood bundle into the firebox. This choice gives a hotter, cleaner burn and better flavor. Light in 2 spots so flames spread quickly, and position the oven on a stable, non-combustible surface with clearance. This prevents heat damage and aids airflow. Once lit, shape your dough and sauce. You want pizzas ready to slide in as soon as the floor reaches 400–450 degrees, so you keep momentum and consistent bake times. You now focus on controlling the oven's microclimate. After the initial ramp, encourage a stable 450–500 degrees floor by adding 1 or 2 small wood splits rather than a large pile. This prevents temperature swings. Use a pizza peel to slide the pie in, then stay active. Rotate the pizza 90 degrees every 20–30 seconds so the side facing the fire doesn't overchar. Make small adjustments to damper and fuel. This is how you balance blistering top. You finish by watching for blistered crust and fully melted cheese. In a Bertello, that usually means 60–90 seconds under direct fire. Pull the pizza and let it rest 1 to 2 minutes on a rack so steam escapes and the toppings settle. This avoids a gummy center. If the oven runs too hot or the bottom chars too fast, open the door briefly to lower temperature, add less wood next cycle, and move the pie slightly away from the heart of the flame to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.